If you are experiencing issues with PayPal where your card is being declined by the issuing bank, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to resolve the issue. First, it is essential to understand why your card may be declined by the issuer on PayPal. The most common reasons include insufficient funds, expired or invalid card details, security restrictions, or exceeded transaction limits. To begin fixing the issue, start by verifying your card details on PayPal. Ensure your name, card number, expiration date, and security code are accurate and up to date. If you have recently moved, update your address to match the one on file with your bank. Next, check your available balance to confirm you have sufficient funds for the transaction. If your balance is low, you may need to add funds to your account before attempting the transaction again. Another step is to contact your bank to confirm if there are any security restrictions or blocks on your card. Your bank may have flagged the transaction as suspicious, causing it to be declined. If you have exceeded your daily transaction limit, you may need to wait until the next day to attempt the transaction again or contact your bank to increase your limit. Additionally, try using an alternative payment method or card to see if the issue is specific to one card. If the alternative method is successful, the issue may be with your primary card. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact PayPal customer support for further assistance. They can help you identify the cause of the problem and provide guidance on how to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the PayPal issue where your card is declined by the issuing bank. Remember to always keep your card details up to date and be aware of your available balance and transaction limits to avoid future issues.